Hi guys, benidorm Scooter Sue here. I am filming this video on Tuesday the 10th of February. It's gone a bit breezy. It was sunnyish earlier, but it's gone cloudy. I think it's going to rain. Look at the beach here, just outside Old Town on Poniente end. We've got some seaweed being washed up on the beach. Older benidorm there in the distance. And of course the port. We'll go and have a look. We have got a lifeguard on the beach. And we do have a red flag further along the beach, which means no swimming today. Obviously the sea's a bit too rough today. So I think it would be a very brave person to want to go swimming today. You maybe need your head looking at. So we're just going up towards Elche Park. Or some people call it Pigeon Park. We've got Saltoki or Saltoki. A few people sat outside. I think most people are inside. Yeah, it looks pretty busy inside. Nice little bar. And Hotel H10 Poniente. Nice hotel. It's almost, I don't know, kind of a dusk effect. Even though maybe it's only about 4 o'clock. Got the students coming home from college. Palm tree being cut down. I think maybe it might have broke down in the winds and they've cut it down for safety. So do love Park de Elche. So peaceful. Some little lights along in front of the gastro bar. I think they're needed today. They've got the shutters down as well. Then we've got the outdoor gym. Not many on it today. So I'm hoping that my phone is going to last out, guys. Its battery is dying. Got El Castel up there in the distance. I don't actually think I'm recording. Where is Shua? Gone a bit fresh now. It's probably time for me to head back. boats in the harbour. I don't know if anybody will be out fishing today.